How to talk in English. Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're looking to become more confident in speaking English, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share simple, effective tips that make speaking English easier and more natural, whether you're just starting out or aiming to level up your skills. From building vocabulary to improving pronunciation, we've got everything covered to help you connect, express yourself, and enjoy the journey of learning English. Remember, every great speaker started just like you. So let's dive in, practice together, and make English fun and achievable. Talking in English is a wonderful skill. It opens many doors and lets you connect with people. To speak well in English, start with simple words that are easy to understand. This helps others follow you. Practice every day. The more you speak, the better you get. Like learning to ride a bike, practice makes perfect. Listen to others when they speak English and notice how they say words. This can help you learn new words. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, and they help us learn and grow. Speak slowly at first. It's better to speak slowly and clearly than quickly, as this helps others understand you. If you don't know a word, ask. Asking questions is a great way to learn and shows you want to improve. Use short sentences, which are easier to say and understand. Try to think in English. When you think in English, speaking becomes easier and helps you learn faster. Read books in English, as reading shows how words are used and introduces you to new vocabulary. Watching movies or shows in English helps you hear how people talk in everyday life, and it's a fun way to learn. Join a group where people speak English. Talking with others helps you practice and builds your confidence. Write down new words you learn to help you remember and practice spelling. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Many people are happy to help because they were once learners too. Be patient with yourself. Learning to talk in English takes time. The more you practice, the better you will become. Use a dictionary to look up words you don't know. A dictionary can help you understand new words and their pronunciation. Practice speaking in front of a mirror to see how you move your mouth and improve pronunciation. Talk to yourself in English. Even if it feels silly, it helps. Try to learn a new word every day. It expands what you can talk about and boosts your confidence. Listening to English songs and singing along can also improve your pronunciation while making learning enjoyable. Talk with friends who also want to learn English, as you can help each other and make learning more fun. Use English every day. The more you use it, the easier it becomes, and even a little practice helps. If you don't understand something, don't be afraid to ask. Asking questions shows you're interested in learning. Practice talking about different topics to build confidence and expand your vocabulary. Think in English as it increases confidence and helps you learn faster. Learn common phrases as they help you speak more naturally. Practice pronunciation as it helps others understand you better. Use simple grammar to make your sentences clearer. If you're nervous, take a deep breath to relax. Thinking about what you want to say before speaking helps organize your thoughts and speak clearly. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Everyone does. Just keep trying and learn from them. Use hand gestures to help others understand you and feel more confident. Smile when you talk. It makes you and others feel good. Try to use new words and sentences to help remember them. If you don't know how to say something, try explaining it differently. This helps you practice thinking in English and learn new words. Learn to listen carefully, as good listening helps you understand others and learn new words and phrases. Practice talking on the phone in English, as it's different from talking in person and improves listening and speaking. Watch English videos online to see and hear how English is used. If you're learning English for work, practice talking about work topics to boost confidence and learn relevant words. Join an English club to practice English with others in a fun setting. If possible, travel to an English-speaking country. Being around English speakers helps you learn faster and gives you chances to practice. Try to use English in daily life, like ordering food in English, which helps you practice in real situations. Talk to people from different countries to hear different accents. Use English at home, even with small things like reading labels or recipes, as it all helps. Set small goals to stay motivated, and don't give up if you feel stuck. Learning takes time. Learning about English-speaking cultures can make the language more interesting and help you understand it better. A language partner can also help, especially if you both want to learn each other's languages. If you're shy, start by talking to people you know, and as you gain confidence, branch out. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace, so focus on your own progress. It's normal to feel nervous, but the more you practice, the less nervous you'll feel. Try to have fun while learning, as it's easier when you enjoy it. Do activities you like that help you practice English. Speak as much as you can because the more you speak, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you don't know a word, try to guess its meaning from the context. It's the situation in which a word is used and helps you learn new vocabulary. Be open to feedback as it helps you improve. If a word is hard to pronounce, practice it multiple times. Repetition helps you remember. Use technology like apps and websites, as they are great resources. If possible, work with a tutor who can give you personalized lessons and feedback. Try using English when you write to practice grammar and spelling, which also helps organize your thoughts. If you're learning English for school, practice talking about school topics to learn relevant words. Use English in your hobbies. For instance, if you like cooking, read recipes in English to learn related vocabulary. If you feel frustrated, take a break, as it's okay to rest and come back refreshed. Find a role model who speaks English well to inspire you. Talk with different people to hear various ways of speaking and practice more. Be proud of your progress. Every step forward is a step in the right direction. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small. If you're learning English for travel, practice talking about travel topics. This helps you feel more confident when you travel and learn the vocabulary you need. Try to use what you learn right away. Using new words and phrases helps you remember them and learn how to apply them in real situations. If you feel stuck, try a new way of learning. For example, if you usually read books, try listening to podcasts. Changing your routine can make learning more exciting. Remember that learning is a journey. It's not about being perfect, but about improving every day. Stay positive. A positive attitude keeps you motivated and makes learning more enjoyable. If you feel nervous about speaking in public, practice with a friend. Practicing with someone helps you feel more confident and get used to speaking in front of others. Try to learn the sounds of English. English has unique sounds, and learning them helps you pronounce words correctly. If you're learning English for business, practice discussing business topics. This helps you feel more confident at work and learn the words you need. Use flashcards to learn new words. Flashcards are small cards with a word on one side and its meaning on the other. They're a great way to memorize vocabulary. If you don't understand something, ask someone to explain it. Asking questions helps clear up confusion and enhances your learning. Try to learn about the history of the English language. Knowing the history can help you understand why words are used in certain ways and make learning more interesting. If you're learning English for fun, focus on topics that interest you. This helps you stay motivated and makes learning more enjoyable. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. Celebrate your progress and keep going. If you feel overwhelmed, break your learning into small steps. Small steps are easier to manage and help you make steady progress. Try to find English-speaking friends. Friends can help you practice in a relaxed way and support you as you learn. If you're learning English for school, try to use it outside the classroom. This reinforces what you learn and gives you more practice. If you don't understand a word, try looking it up in an English dictionary. English dictionaries explain words in English, helping you understand the language better. Practice speaking English when you travel. Traveling gives you a chance to use what you've learned and pick up new words. If you feel nervous, remember that everyone was a beginner once. Even the best English speakers started as learners. Keep practicing, and you'll improve. Try using English when you play games, as they're a fun way to practice in a relaxed way. If you're learning English for work, practice with your colleagues. This helps you feel more confident at work and learn job-specific vocabulary. If you make a mistake, don't be too hard on yourself. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Learn from them and keep going. Try using English when you shop. Shopping is a great way to practice everyday English and learn useful words. If you're learning English for travel, practice asking for directions. This helps you feel more confident and prepares you with necessary vocabulary. If you're nervous about speaking in front of others, start small. Speak in front of 1 or 2 people first. As you gain confidence, try speaking to larger groups. Use English when thinking about your day. For example, think about what you did today in English. This helps you practice using English in real situations. Try to learn words that are important to you. For example, if you like sports, learn sports-related words. This keeps you motivated and interested. If you're learning English for school, practice writing essays in English. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and improve grammar and spelling. If you feel frustrated, remember that learning a new language is a big achievement. Be proud of what you've accomplished. Keep going, and you will improve. If you don't know how to say something, try to find a similar word. This keeps the conversation going and helps you learn new vocabulary. Use English when planning your day. For example, write your to-do list in English. This helps you practice English in daily life. If you're learning English for business, try writing emails in English. Writing emails helps you practice formal language and business vocabulary. If you feel nervous about making mistakes, remember that everyone makes them. Mistakes are part of learning. The important thing is to keep trying. Try using English when you cook. For example, read recipes in English. This helps you learn cooking-related words. If you're learning English for travel, practice ordering food in English. This helps you feel more confident when traveling and expands your vocabulary. If you feel nervous about speaking in front of others, practice in a quiet place first. Practicing in a quiet setting helps you focus and build confidence. Use English when talking to yourself. Self-talk helps you practice new words and sentences, and it makes you more comfortable with thinking in English. If you're learning English for school, practice with classmates. Learning together is both helpful and fun. If you feel stuck, change your routine. For example, if you usually study in the morning, try studying in the evening. Small changes can make learning more engaging. Use English with your hobbies. For example, if you enjoy gardening, read gardening tips in English. This helps you learn vocabulary related to your interests. If you're learning English for work, practice discussing work projects in English. This builds confidence at work and expands your professional vocabulary. If nervous about speaking to others, start with a friend. Practicing with someone familiar makes you feel more comfortable. Use English when writing in a journal. Journaling helps you practice grammar, spelling, and organizing your thoughts. If you're learning English for travel, practice discussing travel plans in English to feel more confident and travel ready. Remember, it's okay to feel nervous about speaking in front of others. Everyone feels nervous sometimes. The more you practice, the less nervous you'll feel. Think in English when considering your future. For example, set goals in English. This builds confidence and fluency in the language. If you're learning English for school, practice giving presentations in English. Speaking in front of others helps with organization and public speaking. If you feel stuck, remember it's okay to take breaks. Breaks help you return to learning refreshed. Use English during exercise. Follow workout videos in English to learn words related to fitness. If you're learning English for work, practice talking about your career goals in English to build confidence. If you feel nervous about public speaking, focus on your message. This shifts your attention from nerves to clarity. Practice writing letters or emails to friends in English. Writing to friends helps you practice informal language while staying connected. If you're learning English for travel, Talk about past travel experiences in English to build confidence and vocabulary. If nervous about speaking to others, practice your speech several times. Repeating it helps you feel prepared and comfortable. Use English when making plans, like organizing your weekend. This lets you practice English in real situations. If you're learning English for school, read English textbooks. Textbooks introduce you to academic vocabulary and complex topics. If you feel stuck, try changing your study environment. For example, if you usually study at home, try studying in a library to keep things fresh. Talk about your feelings in English. For example, describe how you feel. This helps you learn words related to emotions. If you're learning English for work, discuss work projects in English to build confidence and vocabulary. If public speaking makes you nervous, start with a small group. Gradually speaking in front of more people helps you adjust. Discuss your interests in English. Talking about your favorite hobbies is a great way to practice conversational English. If you're learning English for travel, practice asking for directions to feel more comfortable and prepared. If you're nervous, focus on your breathing. Calm breathing helps you relax and speak clearly. Talk about your day in English. For example, describe what you did today. This helps you get comfortable using English in real contexts. If you're learning English for school, practice writing essays. Essay writing improves grammar, spelling, and organization. If you feel stuck, remember that learning a new language is a journey. It's not about being perfect, but about improving every day.